Hello friends, I hope you are going well. So today we will learn how to solve a differential equation with the help of Euler method. So on screen I have a problem statement related with Euler method. So simply read it. I don't want to show my weakness of English here. Just read it. I hope you read completed. So in a simple language, we have to calculate a temperature after 480 seconds and initial temperature of ball is 1200 Kelvin. Okay, and writer given us already differential equation. So let's get started on Python. To save time, I already typed a complete program for this problem statement. In a basic stage, you have to import matplotlib.pyplot and then numpy as np. These are both are libraries which plays an important role. Then you have to call a differential equation in the sense of function. Then from admin or user you have to take numbers of input like initial time, then initial temperature, then step size, then uh, after what time you want to see a temperature. This shows xg. Then I simply use for loop to satisfy the criteria of Euler method. Here I consider you have a basic knowledge of Python and I don't want to go in a just basics. If you go below, which shows the detailing of generation of graph, and earlier videos we already discuss how to plot a graph with the help of matplotlib, which is a library of Python. So in the sense of calculate the answer, we execute the program. So question is, after 480 Kelvin, 480 seconds, what will be the temperature? So enter the value of xo, which shows or suggests enter the initial value of time, that is 0. Absolutely. Enter the value of yo, that shows your initial temperature of ball, that is 1200. Then enter the value of xg, that shows your time after what is the time you want to be see the temperature, that is 480. Okay, then enter the value of step size, which is very important part, that is 240, and enter. So we have get the answer. You can see in a right side 110 degree Kelvin. After 480 seconds we have temperature 110 degree Kelvin. And if we validate it, so in analytical method, first iteration shows that 106 degree Kelvin, which same like 106. Okay, and second iteration shows that 110.32 Kelvin. You can say there 110.31 Kelvin. Okay, and our exact answer is 647.57 Kelvin, and our answer is came around 1100 Kelvin. So why this error? So is due to the step size. If we decrease the step size, our result will converge. So we will again execute the program and use less step size. So same 0 enter 1200 enter 480, there is time, and step size. In the past we use step size around 240, now we will use 30. So we will get the answer which is near about after 480 seconds it will show 632.76 degree Kelvin, and also plot a graph which shows the value. .647 is its exact answer, and our program answer is 632. Okay, so thank you friend, I hope you understood it. I try my best. I am not a that much YouTuber, that level of YouTuber. So my basic try to simply to teach you importance of programming, which will add some value and increase your market value. So thank you.